Hello students, welcome in another session of 12 Computer Science paper 2. Already we have started chapter 2, instruction set and programming of 8085 microprocessor. So let us proceed this chapter, session 21. Student, in today's video I am going to explaining machine control group and stack instructions. All instructions related to stack. Already in previous video we have seen basic operation of stack. Which is the basic operation of stack? Push and pop. Okay, which push and pop. Push means to write the data into the stack, and pop means read data from the stack. When data push in the stack, then stack pointer is decremented by 2, and when data read from the stack, then stack pointer is incremented by 2. Okay, already we have seen these push and pop operation in stack operations. Now related to this stack, see these instructions. First is push RP, push PSW, pop RP, pop PSW, XTHL and SPHL. Okay, now you know very well push and pop. What is the meaning of push and pop? Push means to write the data into the stack, and pop means read data from the stack. When data write into the stack, at that time stack pointer is decremented by 2, and when data read from the stack, then stack pointer is incremented by 2. Now RP means register pair. Now PSW means program status word. Program status word means already we have seen these PSW word where in programming model of 8085 microprocessor. Okay, programming model of 8085 microprocessor. In that programming model, first is PSW, temporary register, then accumulator BCDEHL, okay, flag register, stack pointer, program counter, and these are including in temporary programming model of 8085 microprocessor. Now program status words means it including flag register and accumulator contents, means flag contents and accumulator contents. Now we will see this in detail one by one instructions. Now see, first instruction is push RP. RP means register pair. You can use any register pair which is specified in 8085 microprocessor. How many register pair in 8085? 3 register pairs are in 8085: BC, DE and HL register pair. Then you can use any register pair. Okay. Now push means to write data into the stack. Means push specified register pair in the stack. Means whatever data stored in register pair, that data stored in stack. Now see the format. See, push means stack pointer is decremented by 2. See this. Same formula. Only difference between these, which data are stored and which data are read from the stack. Remaining push means same meaning. Okay, push or pop means same meaning. So stack pointer is decremented by 2. Now addressing mode is register indirect addressing mode. Why register indirect? Because indirectly stack pointer means whatever data stored in register pair, that data register contents are stored in stack pointer, and stack pointer is a temporary storage device. So it is a register indirect addressing mode. It is 1 byte is required to store the data in memory location. Why 1 byte? Because here no 8-bit data are specified or no 16-bit address also specified. So only registers are specified. So 1 byte is required. Now how to execute? No flags are affected. Here nothing. No any flags are affected in 8085 because in push RPM just store the data one location to another location. So here no any calculation. So here no flags are affected. Now how to execute this instruction? See, these instruction decrement stack pointer by 1. First push RP. First one thing is, remember 8085 microprocessor is 8-bit microprocessor. Stack pointer is 16-bit. Okay. See, stack pointer is 16-bit. 8085 microprocessor is 8-bit. But here RP is used. RP means register pair. If register pair is used, then 16-bit data are stored. Okay. Now the 16-bit data are transferred or are stored in stack. Now, so first store this 16-bit data divided into 8-bit and 8-bit. So 8-bit first store the 8-bit data in one memory location, then store the another 8-bit data in another memory location in stack pointer. So here 2 times data will be stored in stack. So here decrements the stack pointer in 2 times. So what is the format? So here stack pointer is decremented by 2. Now see the statement. This instruction is decrement stack pointer by 1 and copies the higher byte of the register pair into the memory location pointed by stack pointer. SP means stack pointer. Then decrements the stack pointer again by 1 and copies the lower byte of the register pair into the memory location pointer by stack pointer. RP may be BC, DE and HL. Now you know this register pair. Okay. See, first stack pointer is decremented by 1. At that time higher byte of register pair means whatever data stored in higher register, that data transfer in stack, and whatever data in lower register, that data transferred in next memory location. First store higher, then store lower. Always remember. Okay. Now see here BC, DE, HL. In this BC, B is higher, C is lower. DE, D is higher, E is lower. H is higher, L is lower. Okay. Now see the example. Suppose stack pointer 2003 memory location. Where it is? Stack pointer is indicates 2003 memory location. Now in D pair store 1050H. Now see here 1050H, this is a 16-bit data. D also 16-bit data. So here first 2 digits stored in higher register and next 2 digits are stored in lower register. See, in D register store first 2 digits means 10 and E register stored next 2 digit means 50. Okay. So D register first 10 and E register contains 50. Now stack pointer at 2003 memory location. Now you know structure of stack. Okay. Now see, instruction is push RP. Sorry student, here write instead of RP, write here which register pair is D. Only write higher register. Don't write DE. Just write higher register name. Okay. Automatically it will include ding lower register. So just write push D. Now see, before execution, stack position. See, this is a stack and memory location. These are the memory location 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003. Now see in this example, where the stack pointer initial position 2003. Now after this is a before execution situation of stack. Okay. Now in D register store 10 data and E register store 50 data. Now after execution push D, what will happen? See, what is the instruction? Push D means first store higher data, then store lower data. Means here D contains 10, E contains 50. Now after execution push D, D store at 2002 memory location because starting position is 2003. Now after stored 10, then store the decrement the stack pointer by 1. Again next lower register data transfer in next memory location, that is 2001. Okay, again decrement stack pointer by 1. Now finally stack pointer where 2001 location. Okay, see here student, in initial position stack pointer is 2003 memory location. Now after execution push D, stack pointer at 2001 means 2003 minus 2001, that is 2. Okay, 2002, 3 minus 1 is 2. So stack pointer is decremented by 2. Understood these instructions student? Now see, next instruction is push PSW. See, what is the long form of PSW? Program status word. Now in program status word, which registers are including? Now same operation here like push RP. Only difference between in PSW here accumulator and flag contents are stored in push stack. Okay. Now see here, first accumulator contains stored in stack pointer, then flag register stored in stack pointer. Okay, this is the format. Understood student? PSW means which registers are used? Accumulator and flag register content. Accumulator content and flag register content. These whatever content stored in this register, that content transferred into stack pointer. Okay, means if first accumulator content stored in stack pointer, at that time first stack pointer is decremented by 1, and then next flag contents are stored in stack pointer, again decrement stack pointer by 1, means totally stack pointer is decremented by 2. Okay, understood? Addressing mode is same, register indirect addressing, byte is 1 byte. Okay, and flag is no flags are affected because here only transferring, no any calculations. Now how to execute this instruction? Same like as RP, but here only difference between instead of register pair, here only accumulator and flag registers are used. Now see, this instruction decrements stack pointer by 1 and copies the accumulator content into the memory location pointed by stack pointer. Means when first decrement stack pointer, at that time accumulator content stored in memory location where the stack pointer is located. Now next again decrement stack pointer by 1, then again copies the next means flag register content into the memory location pointer by stack pointer. Okay, now see example. Stack pointer 2003 memory initial position of stack pointer is 2003 memory location. Accumulator contains 62H. Flag register contains 75H. Flag register means F. It indicates F. Now A contains 62. F contains 75. And stack pointer memory location 2003. Now see initial position instruction is push PSW. Okay. Same here write push PSW. Don't write A or F. Okay. Here write same as PSW as it is. Now see before execution stack pointer position at 2003 memory location. Okay. Now in accumulator contains 62H. Flag contains 75H. This is a before execution. This is a before execution position. Okay. Now after execution push PSW instruction. Now this instruction is executed. Now what will happen after execution? The push PSW, see here accumulator contains 62, flag contains 75, When instruction is executed, then first store the accumulator contents. Okay, first store the accumulator contents means add 2002 memory location, because stack pointer already here 2003. Now stack pointer is decremented by 1, then store 62 accumulator content next location. Okay, now again decrement stack pointer by 1, then flag content stored in that location. Now after complete this execution, stack pointer now becomes at 2001 memory location. Okay, starting position is 2003. Now after execution, this push PSW 2001 is memory location, means difference is 2. Okay, 3 2003 to 2001 means stack pointer decremented by 2. Understood? Here remember, in this instruction, first store accumulator contents, then store flag contents. Okay, now see, next instruction is opposite of push is pop. Okay, push means to store the contents into the stack. Now pop means to read data from the stack, means already data stored in stack. Now in this instruction, data read from the stack. Now see, pop RP, pop specified register pair in the stack. Okay, means read data from the stack. Now see, format stack pointer. First, when push operation is done, at that time first higher data byte is stored, then lower data byte store. Now here reverse action, pop first lower byte is read, then higher byte is read, because top of the stack lower data byte is stored, and then below this higher data byte it store, because stack is only one end is open, other end is closed. Always remember. Okay, now see, so see, format this stack pointer is incremented by 1, then at that time lower register. Okay, this first data transferred into lower, then again increment by stack pointer, at that time stack pointer data stored in higher register. Okay, means here increment by 1 at lower register, again increment by 1 stack pointer at higher register, means totally stack pointer is incremented by 2. Okay, when pop operation is done, at that time stack pointer is incremented by 2. Now addressing mode is register indirect addressing mode, byte is 1 byte. Okay, no flags are affected. Now how to execute this instruction? This instruction copies the content of location pointed by the stack pointer. See here, first see the example, automatically you understood these comments. See, stack pointer, where stack pointer is located, starting position is 2001H. Okay, now at 2001H 66H data is stored, and 2002 memory location stored 45H. Okay, here stack pointer is 2001. Now see, instruction is popd. Okay, here which register pair is used? popd, means whatever data stored in stack pointer in this memory location, that data stored in D register pair. Now see the before execution of this instruction, see stack structure. At 2001 location which data is stored? 66, and 2002 location which data is stored? 45. Okay, see here, and 2000 is 45. Okay, now stack pointer, see in this example, see here stack pointer 2001 location. Understood? Now see, and in D register pair is blank, still blank, no any data is stored now in D register pair. Okay, so here See comment, this instruction copies the content of memory location pointed by the stack pointer into the lower byte. Student, when push RP instruction is executed, at that time first store higher byte, okay, here higher byte register and here lower byte register. So here reverse action is first lower byte is pop, then higher byte is pop. Okay, now see, this instruction copies the content of memory location pointed by the stack pointer into the lower byte of the specified register pair and increment the stack pointer. Okay, means 66 stored in lower byte and increment the stack pointer. Then after that again stack pointer incremented by 1, at that time 45 stored in higher byte. Okay, now see, after execution this instruction, see D, now after execution pop D, see first read data top of the stack, this is a top of stack, okay, this is a open and at below is closed. So first 66 is read, then 45. Now 66 means lower byte, means lower register content. Now first this 66 transfer into lower register means E register. Now decrement the stack pointer, okay, means stack pointer now goes at 2002 memory location. Now 45 transferred into D register means store this 45 where? In D register. Understood? Now stack pointer now becomes at 2003 location. Understood? Means 2001 to 2002 and 2002 to 2003 means stack pointer is 1, 2, 3 means increment by 2. Understood? Now see, next instruction is pop PSW. Pop PSW means same here like push PSW. Okay, PSW means which registers are used? Accumulator and flag contents. Now here whatever data stored in stack, then that data stored in accumulator and flag register. Okay, now see, first top of the stack means flag contents are stored and next is accumulator content. So first stack pointer is incremented by 1 when stack pointer starting top of this data are stored in flag, and next again increment the stack pointer by 1, then stack pointer data stored in accumulator means totally stack pointer is incremented by 2, same as pop RP. Okay, only difference between here PSW. PSW means accumulator and flag contents. Okay, remember this. Now register indirect addressing, byte is 1, no 8-bit data are specified or as well as 16-bit address are specified. So here only registers are specified, only 1 byte is required, no flags are affected because here only transferring action is done. So here no any flags are affected in this instruction. Now how to execute this instruction? Same here. See, first see the example. Stack pointer at 2003 memory location. Accumulator contains 62H. Flag register contains 75H. Okay. Now see. Sorry student. Instead of this push PSW, write here pop PSW. Okay, and here stack pointer, instead of 2003 here write 2001. Okay, don't write this accumulator and flag register content because this contents already stored in stack. Okay, this is a typing mistake, sorry student. Now see, before execution of pop psw, see here stack pointer at 2001 location. Now in stack 75 and 62 data. See, when PSW word is right, then remember in stack pointer accumulator and flag contents are stored. Now this top of the contents is flag contents and below this is accumulator content. Now in accumulator and flag contents are blank before execution. Now after execute the pop PSW, now pop PSW means first store 75 in flag register. Okay, now see 75 transfer into flag register. Okay, now again increment the stack pointer by 1 means here after first data transfer into flag, then increment the stack pointer by 1 means goes to stack pointer at 2002 memory location, then the 62 transfer into accumulator. Okay, means now after execution pop PSW, accumulator will be stored 62H and flag stored 75H data. Okay, now after this 62 is read from the stack, then stack pointer come out at 2003 memory location, means finally stack pointer at 2003 memory location. So stack pointer, when pop PSW instruction, stack pointer is incremented by 2. Understood student? Push pop. Okay, now see next instruction is XTHL. Now see student, X means exchange, T means top, HL means HL register pair, means top. Top means this top word where it is used, stack. Only top word is used at the time of stack operation because one end is closed, other end is open of stack. So only top of the data are always read from the stack, then one by one. Okay, so exchange top of the stack with HL register pair. HL register pair, no any other register pair, means like BC or D. HL register pair here specified within the instruction. So see instruction, first starting data means top of the stack exchange with the L register, then again increment stack pointer by 1, then exchange with the accumulator content. Okay, register indirect addressing, byte is 1 byte, no flags are affected, same as above instruction. Okay, now see this instruction, exchange the content of memory location pointed starting location where it is at lower position, means at stack pointer that data stored in L register. Again increment stack pointer by 1 and that data exchange with the accumulator content. Now see the example. See, HL register pair store 3040H and stack pointer 2701H. Okay, address of the stack pointer is 2701H. Now at 2701H stored 50H and 2702H 60H. Now HL stored 3040, means first 30 stored in higher register and next 40 stored in lower register, means H stored 30 and L store 40. Now instruction is XTHL. Now before execution of this instruction, now see the stack. See here 2701 at memory location stored which data, 50H. Now see here 271A stored 50 and now 2702 at this memory location store 60. Okay, now now stack pointer becomes 2701H. Okay, and in H stored 40H. Okay, and L store 30H. sorry student, first two digits stored in see 3040 instead of write this 3040, write 4030. Okay, because here write H store 40 and L store 30. Okay, now see after execution this XTHL, see H contains 40, stack contains 50 and 60, H contains 40, L contains 30. See here, instead of the 30, 40, write here 40 and 30. Okay, this is the contents of HL. Okay, so after execution XTHL, see for 30 transfer in 2000 top of the stack and this 50 transfer in L register. Okay, means 50 goes stored in L register and 30 stored at 2001 memory location. Same as H register content stored at 2002 memory location, at 2002 memory location content stored at 40 H register. Okay, understood? Means exchange data H and L register with top of the stack. Now becomes here stack pointer same as it is, means here no any data pop or push. So stack pointer at same location means 2001 location. Okay, stack pointer where it is in this instruction, stack pointer as it is same position 2701. Sorry student, here write 27 memory location. Okay, don't write 2000. Understood? Exchange data top of the stack with HL register pair. Now next instruction and last instruction in this machine control group, that is a SPHL. Okay, SP means stack pointer, HL means HL register pair, means move data from HL to stack pointer. See format HL register pair stored in stack pointer, means same as first higher then lower. Now see register indirect addressing, byte is 1 byte because here no register. Okay, sorry, no 8-bit data, no 16-bit address, or only 1 byte is required to store the data in memory location and no flags are affected. Okay, now see this instruction copies the content of HL register pair into the stack pointer. The content of H register are copied to higher order byte of SP and content of L register are copied to the lower byte of SP. Means whatever content stored in HL register pair, that content stored in stack pointer. Student, starting instruction just now we will see push RP. Okay, in that instruction RP means you can use any register pair, means maybe BC pair, maybe DE pair or HL pair, but and same instruction like in SPHL, but in this instruction specified only HL register is used. Okay, no DE pair or BC pair. This is the difference between push RP and SPHL. Remaining are same like push RP. Okay, now see HL contains 2500. Now H contains, see HL contains 2500 means first two digits stored in H and next two digits stored in L. That is H contains 25, L contains 00. Now instruction is SPHL. Now before execution, stack pointer at 2703 location. Okay, stack pointer where it is at 2703 location. Now H contains 25, L contains 00. Now instruction is SPHL. SPHL means first store H into stack and then store L into stack. Okay, this is a means HL data, this HL data stored in stack. Okay, now see how to execute it. After execution, SPHL, see H contains 25, L contains 00. After execution, SPHL first store 25 at 2002 memory location. Okay, and at 2001 location stored 00H. Okay, remaining data means HL contains no remains change in HL contents. Okay, this is a temporary storage. Now stack pointer becomes at 2000. Sorry, students, same here mistake like previous instruction, right? Instead of this 2000, here write 27. Okay, you can use any memory address, but both before after execution memory address remaining same. Okay, now after execution this SPHL H contains stored at 2702 memory location and L contains stored at 2701. Now stack pointer becomes 2701, means this is like as push. Now see, when push operation is done, at that time stack pointer is increment or decrement? Decrement by 2. See here, stack pointer starting position 2703. Okay, now after execution stack pointer 2701, so it is decremented by 2. Okay, understood student these instructions? Okay, again just revise it. See, first instruction push RP. Okay, then push PSW, then pop RP, then pop PSW, then XTHL and SPHL. Okay, these instructions, 6 instructions are related to stack, and these instructions asked many times in board paper for 1 or 2 marks. Okay, push means store data into stack. Pop PSW means register pair, and PSW means only accumulator and flag contents. Okay, this is, remember this accumulator and flag contents. So here push RP and PSW means store data into the stack. RP means any register pair, you can use BC, DE and HL. Okay, and pop opposite of push means read from the stack. XTHL means exchange top of the stack with HL pair. This is the important, only HL register pair is used, and here same stack pointer and HL register pair means store the HL contents in stack pointer. Okay, no any other register pair are used. Here specify only register pair are used. HL register pair are used. Okay, understood student these instructions? Now end of this session 21. Thank you student.